for this video we are going to our local bonfire with fireworks, so I'm going to take you along for the journey. Raphael has decided that he wants to go as Batman again, don't you?
Yeah.
So we're gonna let him go as Batman. He's got his wellies on. We are just getting ready to go and see the fireworks. It is a late night for Raphael on a school night, which is unusual, but we shouldn't be home too late, so that will be alright. So I'm just trying to find warm clothes because it's not that warm here in the UK at the moment, and I will show you how we go. So guys, we are off on our way to the fireworks, aren't we, Batman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bonfire gets lit at 7, and then the fireworks start at 7:30. But as you can hear, people have already started off their own. Yeah, Daddy will push their own fireworks. So we are going to stay at his nana's so we don't get too cold before we go out.
Daddy first.
Haven't we, Batman?
Yeah, I mean Daddy first.
Right, Daddy will push. And we've put him in his pram because it's just quicker to get there.
Yeah, Batman.
And with it being dark, I don't like him being off. Dragon!
Batman. Like fireworks.
Yeah.
Dragon!
No, she said nursery. Once a year nursery, so that's been out and sorted out.
Sure, Batman. Good luck, Batman.